Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. I know I talk a lot about dividend investing. Dividend investing can yield you anywhere from 1 to 5% of pure profit every single year. But in this video, I'm gonna show you a strategy to where I'm able to grow my account 53%, giving myself a $4,500 raise this year. So make sure you stick to the end of the video so you don't miss out on this incredible strategy. Also, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 3 free stocks valued up to $1,600. Who knows, you might be able to get one of the free stocks that I'm going to talk about in this video. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are inside my Robinhood account. Let's go over my account before I show you guys this incredible strategy to where I'm able to make an extra $4,500 in a single year. Right now, my account portfolio size is at $37,299.58. On the day, I am up $824.74. After market hours, I'm up $150.18. So around $1,000 profit on the day. That's why the stock market is so powerful, especially if you know how to utilize these strategies. If you guys been following this channel and utilizing the strategies that I'm telling you guys, I'm pretty sure that you guys are being very successful inside the stock market as well. Now, if we look on the week, I am up on the week 4.72%, $1,681.53. And on the month, I had a pretty solid month. Don't forget that at the end of each month, I do a dividend, how much I made in dividends at the end of each month. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. But this month has been a killer. I am up $3,322.16. That's almost to the point to where I'm almost making more profits in the stock market than I am at my job by making the correct investments and by selling option premiums. Yes, that's correct. That is the strategy that is much more powerful than dividend investing that I'm gonna show you guys today. And you guys already know what stock I'm selling premiums on. I'm gonna explain to you exactly what it is, but that one stock that I'm selling premiums on is AMD. That is my favorite stock inside of my portfolio. I just got to 100 shares of AMD, which allows me to sell call options on AMD and collect sweet premium. So let me walk you through it step by step so you guys don't miss out on this easy, simple, win-win strategy. All right, here we are on AMD. AMD is at $85.28. I've got in on AMD super early. My average cost is only $58.49. My market value in AMD is $8,528. On the day, I'm up $57.56. And my total return, I'm up $2,679.31 on AMD. Now, the strategy is much easier to do on a company that you plan to hold for a very long time. I'm planning to hold AMD at least for the next 10 years before I take any kind of profit on it. Now, with me saying that, I have to find a way to use AMD to leverage this company to grow my portfolio even faster. And that is with selling call options and collecting premiums. Now, I know you heard about options before, but the gambling side of options is when you buy calls and buy puts. That is literally betting that a company is gonna go up or betting that a company is gonna go down. Now, when you're selling options, you win no matter what, as long as you're using the strategy the correct way. And let me show you guys how to do it. You want to hit trade. If your Robinhood account has not already enabled options, just go into your settings and then enable options. So first you hit trade and then you hit trade options. Don't hit buy or sell, you hit trade options. Once you hit that, you're going to pick a date. I'm almost at the end of the November 27th week. So it'd be wasteful for me to use this week for me to sell this option. So I'm gonna go to December 4th since it's right around the corner for me. I'm not gonna do something that's just a couple of days away. So now when you first hit that date, it's gonna come up as a buy call. We're not buying anything. We don't buy calls and we don't buy puts. What we wanna do is switch over to sell. Now when you sell, you have to have 100 shares of a company. Yes, this strategy is expensive, but it's not expensive if you're planning on holding a company for a very long time. Now, when you sell calls, you're given the rights to sell a certain strike price of an option that you're selecting. So now that I have 100 shares of AMD, I could have the option to sell 100 shares at a certain price if it hits that price point. So if I scroll all the way up and I use a strike price of $90 call right here, this $90 call, I say, hey, I'm willing to sell you guys 100 shares at $90 if it reaches $90. If it doesn't reach $90, then I'm gonna collect 87 cents per share. Multiply that by 100, and that's $87 for that sell option strategy right there. So at the end of the week, that option will expire worthless. I will keep my $87 and I don't have to sell my shares at $90. Now, let's say if AMD does go up from $85.26 to $90. Now, I made a 15% profit on AMD going from 85 to 90. And I'm gonna also keep the $87 for me selling this strike. So now I got the profit of the company going up, and then I get to keep the $87, and all of that is gonna stay inside my Robinhood account, to where I'm gonna introduce you guys to the second step of this strategy, which is called the wheel strategy, to where you sell puts. But right now we're just focusing on sell call, and it's so powerful that I'm able to grow my account by an extra $4,500. Now, the strategy that I use, I don't like looking at Robinhood chance of profit right there. I know AMD in and out. I do a whole series over AMD. I know when they come out with new products. I know when they're gonna completely embarrass Intel. I know everything about AMD, so that's why I'm using this company to do my strategy on. And let's say I'm looking at the chance of profits. I do think AMD is gonna go up pretty soon. They've been in a consolidation, trading sideways for a little while, and they're near its support. So I know AMD is probably not gonna fall very soon, but I do think that it's gonna go above $87. Now I'm gonna give you guys my delta strategy. You want to have a delta of anything under 0.3. Now what I mean by that is that right now AMD is at $85.26. As you go up, the delta is gonna decrease. So what I mean by that, the chance of profit on Robinhood says 71.93% for the 87 call, and I gain $171 if I was to choose this one. But so let's click on 87 for example, and then click the bid ask price, and right there where it says delta, it is a 0.4 delta. Now that is too high for me, that's too risky. That's mean the chance of that being profitable is not really there. It's too risky for me. Some people might like a 0.4 delta, but not me. Let's go ahead and scroll up a little bit more and look at the $89 call strike. If it goes up to 89, I will be extremely happy for AMD. Even though AMD all-time high is $90, I don't think that is gonna reach $89 in the next week. If it does, hey, I win, but if it don't, I'm gonna collect $111 on this trade. So let's look at the 89 call. Click on bid ask, and right there it is at a 0.29 delta. That's right in my range. It's right under 3. So I'm gonna click that one right quick. I'm gonna sell 1, and I wanted to get it filled immediately. This is another trick right there. You wanna put down 1 cent below. So I'm gonna put $1.10, hit review and swipe up. I have 100 shares of AMD that is locked up, and $110 should be credited to my account immediately. There it goes. So yes, it's after market hours now, so it might not be filled exactly at this time. Let's go take a double look. Yeah, it's not filled yet, so hopefully tomorrow when the market opens, I will get credited $110 directly to my account. And let's say I do this every single week. Let's look at the profit. If I collect $110 from AMD every single week for the next 52 weeks, that is a profit of $5,720. So well above the $4,500 price point. But I would usually do around the all-time high, which is $90 of AMD. So that is the price that I got, around $4,500. But through my delta strategy, $5,720 is the profit that I'm gonna have on the year if I continue to use this strategy to grow my portfolio. Remember, I only started off with $8,500 with AMD, and now I'm going to have $5,720 even more of profit if I continue the strategy. If you guys want to follow me along with the strategy, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I'm going to post a video every single week or in the community tab and let you guys know exactly what's going on. So if you're doing my plays, you can make some profit in this strategy as well. And there we go, dreamers. If I did the strike price of $89 and I have the delta of around 0.3% every single week, then now I'll be able to grow my portfolio by 67% in a single year. That completely destroys dividend investing by a long shot. Now I'm gonna be super conservative. I'm also gonna do market analysis over AMD. So I'm not gonna go in blindly investing, selling and collecting premiums on AMD. You have to do your research. It is an investment that you don't want to go in blindly and just gamble your money away. Everything has to be strategic about this investment. Now, this is the first step of the wheel strategy by first selling a call or selling a put. Now, once you get implemented on one of those strategies, then comes step 2 of the wheel strategy that I'm going to talk about in a future video. So if you don't trust me, trust me, you don't want to miss that video because that video can make you even more money without even having to own a single stock inside of your portfolio. So make sure that you guys stick around for that. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.